Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday dear Sona. Happy birthday to me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. आज मेरा बर्थडे और आप जैसा कि देख रहे हैं मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ because I am on holiday with my husband. We are in London. हम अपने दोस्तों के साथ आए हैं. It's been an amazing trip. I think birthday का मतलब ही होता है कि आप अपने near and dear ones के साथ celebrate करो and बस खुशियाँ मनाओ. And I think I'm in a very very happy space right now. And आज का दिन बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि हम जो फ्रेंड्स के साथ यहाँ पर आए हैं. मैं मेकअप शुरू कर दूँ, बातें करते करते करेंगे. क्योंकि आज मेरा बर्थडे है. आज का दिन वैसे ही जाएगा जैसे मैं चाहूँगी. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टेक आवर फ्रेंड्स ऑन अ ट्रिप इन आवर स्टाइल एंड वी आर गोइंग टू वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट प्लेसेस व्हेन आई कम टू लंडन, जो कि थोड़ा दूर है, 1 घंटे की ट्रेन जर्नी है. एंड वी विल अराइव इन ब्राइटन. और ब्राइटन में एक रेस्टोरेंट है जहाँ पर दुनिया का सबसे अमेजिंग इंडियन खाना मिलता है. मतलब थाली, ऐसी थाली मैंने इंडिया में भी नहीं खाई है. एंड आई रियली वांट देम टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट. सो आज मैं उन्हें वहाँ पर लेकर जा रही हूँ. दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज कॉल्ड इंडियन समर. दिस इज नॉट एन एड, इट इज़ जेन्युइनली माई फेवरेट रेस्टोरेंट. एंड ज़हीर सेड बेबी आज जो करना है, हम बेबी को जो आज करना है हम वही करेंगे. सो आई वॉन्ट टू गो एंड हैव दैट थाली एट इंडियन समर and make my friends experience the same as well. So आज हम बस यही करने वाले हैं. उसके लिए मैं तैयार हो रही हूँ. बहुत ही बेसिक मेकअप होगा क्योंकि इट्स अ कैजुअल चिल डे आज. इनफैक्ट यू नो व्हाट, मेरे बर्थडे पे हर साल बारिश होती है. अगर मैं इंडिया में होती तो इंडिया में हो जाती है बारिश. एंड मैंने पढ़ा कहीं पे देयर वर शावर्स इन मुंबई, सो वहाँ पर भी शुरू हो गई. एंड It's been raining in London today. It's been raining all morning. हम लोग उठे, मैंने पर्दे खोले, बाहर देखा. So it was drizzling and all the streets were like completely wet. So yeah, my birthday always brings the rain with it. And today is no different. So yeah. Gemini babies, we bring the rain. आज मुझे लगा मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बात कर रही हूँ. Very out of my character. Do you think I'm talkative? Because I don't think I'm talkative. मैं इतना बात नहीं करती, but of course अभी आपको entertain करना है, आपके लिए vlog बना रही हूँ तो थोड़ी बहुत मेकअप पे चर्चा तो होती रहेगी, right? So I'm gonna answer some of the questions जो मुझे मेरे बर्थडे पे यूजली आते हैं. What is your favorite way of celebrating your birthday? I'm not a big party type person. मुझे अच्छा लगता है to celebrate with few of my closest friends and family. And I think that's what makes it more warm and special and memorable. You know, बड़ी बड़ी पार्टियों में आप भूल जाते हो किससे मिले, कितने लोगों के साथ conversation होता है. And it's just, I feel very impersonal. Each to their own. A lot of people enjoy doing that if they're very social and all. I'm not, so I like smaller gatherings. And by the way, kal raat ko I always bring in my birthday. So on the first night, I always end up doing something really really special. Or kal raat, our friends are the sweetest. Okay, these are बहुत rarely आप you know when you cross a certain age, आप ऐसे दोस्त बनाते हो जैसा कि आपको लगता है कि आप बचपन से ही उनको जानते हो and they've always been a part of your life. It's very rare to make friendships like that, you know, especially in your 30s. So these are the kind of people that I'm spending time with. They're so warm, so loving. You know, they made me feel so special on my big day, even though we've recently become friends, and that is so rare. I love that. We went to this really nice private members club जहाँ पर बहुत कम लोगों को membership मिलती है and it's very exclusive. वहाँ पर in fact photos और videos भी नहीं निकाल सकते. It's that exclusive. So they took us there and the decor over there was stunning. It was just beautiful. और वहाँ पर हमने मेरा birthday bring in किया. We cut a beautiful cake. And we danced the night away. There was this one room where you could go. और मेरी नई friend Zara, she was the DJ and उसने सारे अपने best Bollywood गाने बजाए, पंजाबी गाने बजाए, and we had the best time ever. Like it was so fun. And in fact, बहुत दिनों बाद on my birthday we've had such a like active like dancing night. So it was really fun. फिर हम वापस होटल आए and we went to our other friends' rooms. Everybody we called for lots of kebabs. And हमने फिर of course dinner enjoy किया and then we came and crashed out. I told Zahir please आज अलार्म मत रखना, हम जब उठेंगे and जैसे ही उठेंगे तब हम प्लान डिसाइड करेंगे because it started raining. और जो रेस्टोरेंट इंडियन समर जो मैं आपको बता रही थी that is actually shut for lunch today. So हमारा प्लान थोड़ा derail हो गया but it's open at 5 p.m. till night. So we're gonna have dinner there now instead of lunch. So yeah, it'll be fun either ways. Come rain or shine, we're gonna have a good time today. So that's my mindset. That is what I'm thinking of today. We just have to have a good time, a happy time, a positive time. What were my best moments of last year? I made lots of memories last year. You know, we started off with travel to our favorite place, Maldives. फिर मैंने दहाड़ की शूट शुरू की very early on in the year. Actually 6 महीने तो है इस साल की. Yeah, I started shooting for Dahar and it was an amazing shoot. It was like, you know, homecoming. जैसे आप अपने परिवार के पास वापस जा रहे हो. Because I had spent so much time with them on season 1 and I was just waiting to get back in that uniform. Made many new memories. Was a part of, again, another amazing script, amazing show. So these are the things that I hold really close to my heart and I really respect. Lots of amazing times with family. I've become a full homebody. मैं ज़्यादातर घर पे रहना पसंद करती हूँ with my family, with my husband, with his parents, with my family, mom and dad. I think you know, we've spent lots and lots of time together. That has become a big priority in my life. More than chasing other things, I think it's very important to just kind of be happy where you are with who you are. That translates into having a very beautiful life. So I think मेरे priorities थोड़े से बदल चुके हैं, but I'm enjoying it. Wherever I am, I'm in a very happy place. Staying away from negativity, staying away from people that bog me down, people who don't have good intentions. I think it's very important to just kind of stay away. बहुत से लोग आते हैं who want to be friends with you just because of who you are. So yeah, I think it's very important to identify such people and kind of just stay away from them. Life is too short to have any sort of negativity. I've learned that over the years for sure. Yeah, it's very important to just stay positive. I can hear somebody. Is he sneaking up on me? Zahir? I heard you. See now, little trouble. Zahir, I heard you. Don't even think about scaring me, okay? I heard you. Come on, get ready.
You ready?
I'm almost ready. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. What do you have to say on my birthday, John?
Happy. Hey, say again. Ask again.
Okay. Take 2.
Yeah.
Action!
What do you have to say on my birthday, John?
Happy anniversary.
क्या जोक मारा भाई? Woo!
Exactly. और क्या ही बोलेगा birthday पे? Happy birthday.
Today also in trouble.
Not at all.
Like, please, I just put my foundation. You wanna get ready now?
Yeah.
You'll have to wait 5 minutes till I finish my makeup.
Exactly. I want to go to the restroom.
Can you go with that one? Thanks. Sweet. Today he can't say no to anything that I say.
Yeah, it's going to be 3 degrees colder there.
3 degrees colder?
Yeah, very jacket.
I'm wearing something pretty warm. I'm wearing like a nice quad set which has lining inside. So basic. I mean, my eyelash extensions are done, so I don't really need to do eye makeup. So let's just gel the brows. I have to vacate this bathroom quickly, so makeup bhi jaldi karna padega ab. Zahir has to go for a shower so that we can leave and begin my birthday adventure with our friends. I thought it would be a nice summery day. Sun would be out. There's a beautiful pebble beach in Brighton. जहाँ पर sand नहीं होता. There's only pebbles on the beach and it's really stunning. So I thought the sun would be out. We'd be like chilling there, sitting on the pebbles. But the weather had different plans, as you are well aware. Even though weather is not summery, we're gonna go for a nice fresh summery, dewy and rosy look. Why not? बाहर weather जो भी हो, अंदर mood अच्छा समरी होना चाहिए. I feel. I'm using this lipstick because थोड़ी सी ठंड थी last night and I'm feeling a little dry on my lips. How do you guys like celebrating your birthday? I'd love to know. Comments में बताओ मुझे. पढ़ूंगी मैं. I'm not doing anything on my eyes. Base is done, lips are done, cheeks are done, and I think I'm ready for my birthday. I'm gonna keep my hair up. Simplest, easiest, best to manage all day long. मैं भी बस अपना jacket पहन के आती हूँ, and I'll show you my lip. This is what I'm wearing. I think you've seen me wear this before. I think this is my vacation quad set for cooler weather. So ये वापस आ चुका है. स्विट्जरलैंड में मैंने पहना था, इस पर ब्लॉग भी बनाया था मैंने. But yeah, मेरे घर में वॉशिंग मशीन है, क्लोथ्स धुलते हैं. I can repeat them again. And I'm a staunch believer in repeating outfits क्योंकि I buy them so that I can wear them again and again. Right? ये जो stupid सा trend बनाया था किसी ने that you can't repeat outfits, I find it very stupid. So yeah, I'm gonna use fixing spray. मैं directly spray नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि I don't want any mishaps. But yeah, आज मैं चाहती हूँ with the kind of weather no, some things never change. With the kind of weather there is, I don't want my makeup to move. इससे हम कर देते हैं fix. Did you see how simple that was? मैंने literally क्या लगाया है? I put a color correcting, hydrating, SPF वाला base, concealer, eyebrows, lipstick, blush, and contour powder. Not even like cream contour, and I'm done. Ready for the day, guys. This is how you can do simple vacation makeup. This is how you can go and enjoy your birthday. You have more time to spend making memories rather than doing makeup. So that was it for today. मैं चली अपना birthday celebrate करने. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. इस ट्रिप का vlog भी आएगा बहुत ही जल्द. अभी मैं सिर्फ shoot कर रही हूँ, फिर मैं editing के लिए भेजूंगी, फिर वो आएगा, फिर मैं चेक करूंगी, फिर मैं वापस भेजूंगी, फिर वो वापस आएगा, फिर मैं पोस्ट करूंगी. So be patient. It'll be a lot of fun, and yeah, I'm off to celebrate my birthday.